Good day everyone, we are the Omis and today we'll be presenting our very first Arduino project, blinking a LED. This is one of the most basic but essential projects in learning how to control electronic components with Arduino. Our group is composed of Lyra Mark Christian, Tadio Mark Vincent, and myself Mojica Denver John. Together, we work on building and testing this project. Blinking a LED simply means turning a light-emitting diode on and off repeatedly at a set time interval. In Arduino, we do this by sending voltage to the LED to turn it on, then stopping the voltage to turn it off with pauses in between. It's often the first project for beginners because it teaches how to control pins, use delays, and repeat actions. To complete this project, we use the following components: an Arduino Uno board, one LED, a 220 ohm resistor to protect the LED, a breadboard for easy wiring, jumper wires, and a USB cable to connect the Arduino to the computer. Here you can see our circuit diagram. The LED's positive leg is connected to pin 13 through the resistor, and the negative leg is connected to the ground pin. This setup ensures the LED gets the right amount of current and prevents damage. This is the code we use. The setup function runs once and sets pin 13 as output. The loop function turns the LED on for 1 second, off for 1 second, and repeats forever. In this short clip, we'll show you how we set up our Arduino, connected the components, and uploaded the code. And here's the final output: our LED blinking on and off every second. This shows that our code and circuit work successfully. And that concludes our presentation on our first Arduino project, blinking a LED. Thank you for listening, and we're looking forward to creating more complex projects in the future.